How to fix YouTube Shorts like, share, and comment not showing. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get those buttons working again. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. From there, open a short and check if the interaction buttons on the side are missing, grayed out, or just unresponsive. After that, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, long press the YouTube app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Following this, tap App Info. From here, tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the issue. Following this, back out and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, if the buttons still aren't showing, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. Following this, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. From here, press and hold the Power button until the Power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Finally, open YouTube and check whether the like, share, and comment buttons are showing properly on a short now. That's how you fix YouTube Shorts like, share, and comment not showing. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!